Vice President Kashim Shettima paid a condolence visit to Mr. Teen Jack Rich, president of Belema Oil Group, over the death of his uncle, Dr. Harrison Tiger.
It's a great honor, and it's a great display of brotherhood and the sense of display of the Nigerian identity, which is a strategic bridge between different political geography as well as driving strategic political interest, keeping that sense of brotherhood. When you're happy, when you're crying, and also when you're going through challenges. So I want to thank you for coming here to honor me on account of the demise of my elder uncle who was like a father to me.
In far-flung places in the hinterland, in Maiduguri, in Sokoto, you have drilled boreholes, supported schools initiatives, added life and color to our people. We cannot thank you enough. We'll continue to eulogize you, we'll continue to celebrate you, and we'll continue to support you in your noble cause towards addressing some of the endemic challenges facing our country. It's not a function of how wealthy you are, but what impact you have created.
Absolutely.
Is what really counts. Once again, please, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please accept our heartfelt condolences. And be rest assured that the President holds you in the highest esteem.
Shettima described the late Dr. Tiger as a man whose memory will be fondly remembered, while extolling Jack Rich's humanitarian spirit and contributions to national unity.
I'm here to commiserate the sad demise of his great uncle. May God grant the family the fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. Jack Rich is my friend.
Thank you.
He is someone who is devoted to serve humanity. He has drilled boreholes in far-flung places. He's a bridge builder that deserves to be celebrated.
Jack Rich, who expressed his deep appreciation to the Vice President for finding time to visit despite his busy schedule, thanked him, saying the gesture was a mark of true friendship and leadership.
And I want to use this window to thank Mr. President for sending the Vice President to come and condole with the family on account of the demise of my uncle, who was like a father. And also thanking the Vice President for coming, despite the busy schedule of his. Today is a great outcome, not just for me, but also for the greater good of believers in the movement of our party. Thanking the ambassadors for coming, thanking all the well-meaning Nigerians, thanking from our Vice President Atiku Abubakar, Kwankwanso, Mika Wanjaba, and other great Nigerians and lovers of peace and lovers of the good of this country.
In his remark, NNPP chieftain Alhaji Bubakar Ladima said the passing of Jack Rich's uncle was a loss that touched many beyond the family circle, describing it as a moment of shared grief.
We are here together to condole our friend Chief Jack Rich Tian, who lost his uncle. So we are here to sympathize with him.
You know, we are with him for long, and this life is when good happen to your brother, you come and congratulate him. When something happens, you come there and say sorry. That's what we are here.
The Israeli ambassador to Nigeria, Mr. Michael Freeman, expressed his condolences and paid tribute to the late Dr. Tiger, describing him as a great patriot.
I came to express my condolences to Jack Rich on the passing of his dear brother, who was a great patriot, a great man of Nigeria. And I came to appreciate Mr. Rich himself and for his work, and I want to wish him and all of Nigeria prosperity and happiness.
Similarly, Moroccan ambassador to Nigeria, Mr. Moha Tagma, said his visit was to express solidarity and friendship with Jack Rich during his moment of grief.
In these moments, it's very important that for us brother and as friends to express our solidarity in this moment. So I am here to present my condolences to His Excellency and to tell him that it's alive, but we are beside him.
The visits were marked by prayers for the repose of the soul of the late Dr. Tiger.